let's start. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. All states in that districts all are famous for agriculture in our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. Means agriculture is mainly dependent on the rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. In all region, rainfall received is not the same. In some region low rainfall, in some region moderate rainfall, in some regions high rainfall, like this. So crops such as in region of high rainfall, in the region of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. Means the region where the high rainfall receive, in this region crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. Wheat, tur and soya. So student, wheat, tur and soybean are grown in the moderate rainfall region. Means there is no high rainfall, not so low rainfall. In moderate, middle region rainfall, moderate rainfall, there are wheat, tur and soybean are the crops that are grown in that region. Jowar, bajra and moth beans are grown in the region of low rainfall. Means in low rainfall region, this jowar, bajra and moth beans are grown. To help crop to grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight and water are needed. It is very important. Listen again. To help crops to grow well, means for crop growing well, what are necessary? Which things are necessary? First one is good seeds, then fertile soil, then sufficient sunlight is also necessary and water are needed. According to the season, a variety of grains, fruit and vegetables are grown in our country. So students, in this way, agriculture is the main occupation in our country. Now student, see the picture. Which picture is this? One fruit seller. That fruit seller sells different types of fruit. Apples, then papayas, then watermelon, bananas. Like these pictures are seen in the picture. So you have to visit the local fruit seller. Note down the names of the fruit sold in the shop. You have to note down the which fruits are sold in the shop. Then discuss the following points with them, and you have to discuss the following points are given. That points you have to discuss to that food seller. First point is, which fruits are sold all year around? You have to ask the first question like, which fruits are sold all year around? Then next question is, which fruits are not available in the rainy season? Ask question to that fruit seller. Then next third question is, which fruits are sold in summer? Fourth question is, in which season are fruits available in plenty? And the last question is, in which season do we get fewer fruits? So the availability of fruit varies according to the season. Different fruits are available in different season. Means you have to ask the 5 questions to that fruit seller, and by using that you can easily clear the availability of fruit varies according to the season. Now students, again one map is given here. The map is given below. This is from food items from Maharashtra, famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining state. Like which district, state are famous for which food items? We have to study the given map and write down your answer in the tabular form. Here one table also given. See. Here one table also given and you have to write down the answers in tabular form. Means in first column you have to write down the district name. Means which district from this map, which district or which state. Then in second column food items. Means you have to write down that district food item, which food item, the name of that food item. And in the last means third column you will write the main ingredient used for the food item. Means you understand student, by using the map you have to write the different state or district name, then in that district or in that state which food item is famous, and also which main ingredient is by using that main ingredient that food items are made. So you have to write down like this. I will tell you. So student, for example, Satara district. Here is Satara district. Then Ahmednagar district. Here is Ahmednagar district. Satara, Ahmednagar, Yavatmal are famous for Jawar Bhakri. And the main ingredient in these is Jawar. Means Satara, Ahmednagar, Yavatmal is famous food item is which? Jawar Bhakri. And the main ingredient is Jawar. Now next suppose we take example of Kolhapur. Suppose we take the example of Kolhapur. This Kolhapur is famous for district name Kolhapur. That Kolhapur is famous for red white mutton gravy. Food item is red white mutton gravy and the main ingredient is mutton. Then third example we take is Andhra Pradesh. In third example, district name we can write here Andhra Pradesh. That Andhra Pradesh is famous for biryani. Food item is biryani, and for biryani the main ingredient is rice. Suppose we take district Nasik. This Nasik district main food item is mande. Means Nasik is famous for mande, and the main ingredient for making mande is wheat. You understand student? By this way you can fill this column for all the district and all the state. So student, see the next paragraph. The main crop grown in any season is used to make various items in that region. Like for example, we have studied that Satara and the neighboring district are famous for Jawar Bhakri because the Jawar is available in Plateau region easily, and for example Jawar is grown on large scale in the Plateau region of Maharashtra. Hurda, Lahya, Bhakri, Gugria, Papad, Sandge, Ambil, Dhapate, Dirde, etc. All the preparation of Jawar enjoyed in that region. Means by using Jawar we can make Hurda, Lahya, then Bhakri from Jawar, then Gugria, then Papad, then Sandge, then Ambil. By using Jawar we can make Ambil also, then Dhapate, then Dirde. All are the food items that are prepared by using Jawar. So Jawar is the main ingredient. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnuts, soyabean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. Note that change in climate and soil. You have to note that why in different region different food items are eat, and also different crops are grown in different region. Why? This is because change in climate and soil. The crops grown in the region determine the diet of the people in that region. Means which crop are grown in the region, that determines the diet of the people in that region. So students, I hope you understand and also enjoy this lesson. In next lecture we will solve the exercise of this lesson. Okay, thank you.